Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up TicketBot in Discord server. First of all, open up your web browser and come to Ticket Tool XYZ and click on Invite Ticket Tool. Go and invite it. Now you can come and return to Discord. Go to the top left and click on the server name and click on server settings. Select roles on the left, and what you want to do is make sure to ticket tool is above member roles, but you can make it below the owner and moderator roles. What you want to do is create a role for support staff. Click on create role and you can then go and name it support. You can then go and choose the members who have this role. After you have done that, you can close out of the settings, come over to the left and right click in the categories and channels, click on create category, go and name it support. What you can then do is go and create a channel within that. So we'll go and name that support as well and press create channel. Now what you need to do is come back to the web browser and get back to the site. Go and click on manage servers and log in with Discord. Find your server and go and click on manage. And you need to go and create a panel, so click on create one and name it, then click on create. Now go into general here and you need to choose the support team roles we have called support, and then you can click save and then press back, and you want to go into category and you need to go and choose the category we named our support. Press save. You can then press back and then all you need to do is go and click on send up here, and you can then choose the channel where you want it to be. In this case you want it to be support channel. Click on send. Now you can come back to Discord and the messages now have been sent. Now what I like to do is I like just go and disable messaging in this channel. So click on edit channel, go into permissions and go and scroll down. You can turn off send messages and click save. Now when a user comes in here, they click on the button and a ticket will then go and be created. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to set up TicketBot in Discord server. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.